What if one company could connect millions of small neighborhood stores, digitize them, and turn them into the backbone of a national retail supply chain? That's exactly what Reliance is doing in India through a platform called JioMart. India's retail market is one of the largest in the world, but also one of the most fragmented. Over 90% of stores are small, family run kirana shops, operating with limited technology, manual inventory, and local suppliers. This fragmentation creates major challenges: inefficient sourcing, limited scale, no real time inventory visibility, weak bargaining power. Meanwhile, global players try to enter but struggle to penetrate this deeply local system. Reliance saw an opportunity not to replace Kirana stores, but to empower them. Through JioMart, it began connecting millions of small retailers into one unified supply network. Here's how the system works. Kirana stores use JioMart's platform to order inventory digitally, access better pricing, get faster deliveries, accept online customer orders. Reliance becomes the supplier, distributor, and digital backbone all at once. Behind the scenes, Reliance built a powerful logistics network: regional warehouses, distribution hubs, last-mile delivery networks, integration with telecom via Jio. This allows goods to move from manufacturers to warehouses to kiranas to customers seamlessly. Reliance's biggest advantage? It already owns retail stores, telecom network, Jio, digital platforms, supplier relationships. This creates a fully integrated ecosystem, something competitors struggle to replicate. Global players like Amazon and Walmart tried to enter India's retail market, but Reliance took a different path. Instead of replacing local stores, it turned them into partners. But the model isn't perfect. Challenges include logistics complexity across rural areas, technology adoption by small retailers, competition from fast-growing quick commerce players. Scaling this system across India is a massive operational challenge. Reliance's story teaches a powerful lesson. The future of supply chains isn't always about replacing old systems, it's about upgrading them. By combining local trust with digital scale, Reliance is redefining how retail works in emerging markets. From millions of small shops to a unified national network, Reliance isn't just building a retail business, it's rebuilding the supply chain of a nation.